In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Maps for offline use. If you're traveling somewhere with spotty signal or you want to save data, having maps available offline can be a lifesaver. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to make sure you get exactly the area you need. First, launch the Google Maps app on your mobile device. For the fastest download and to avoid using your mobile data, it's a good idea to be connected to Wi-Fi and make sure you have enough storage space on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner to open the main menu. Here you'll see options like location sharing and more account tools. We're heading to the place where you manage offline content. From this menu, tap Offline Maps. This is your hub for saving areas to your device, viewing what you've already downloaded, and managing updates. Now tap Select Your Own Map. This option lets you pick a custom area instead of relying on a suggested city or region, which is especially helpful if your trip spans multiple towns or a specific route. You'll see a bounding box appear on the screen. Drag the map underneath the box and pinch to zoom in or out until the entire area you want is fully inside that rectangle. Take a moment to think about your actual route. Include the neighborhoods, highways, or rural roads you plan to use. The more you zoom out, the larger the area you'll capture. But keep in mind, larger areas take up more storage and may take longer to download. If you only need a city center, zoom in to save space. If you're driving across counties, zoom out so your whole route is covered. Remember, offline maps include driving directions and places, but live traffic, alternate routes based on conditions, and public transit details won't be available without a connection. Once you've framed the area you want, tap the download button in the bottom right corner. You'll see a progress indicator as the map saves to your device. Keep the app open until it finishes. After the download completes, that area is stored locally and ready to use whenever you're offline. You can return to offline maps anytime to view, update, or remove saved areas, and Google Maps may prompt you to refresh them periodically so the information stays current. That's it. Your map is now ready for offline use. Safe travels and enjoy reliable navigation even when your signal drops.